Hey YouTube, today is Wednesday, November the 23rd, 2011. We got a snowstorm going in Sydney, Nova Scotia. This afternoon, it was all white ground and all the other stuff. Then the snow started this afternoon. Right now, it's snowing very heavy in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Lots of snow falling down on Victoria Road so far. Look at the snow covered the main street. And here's my boots. Here's my winter boots to keep the snow off of my feet. It's snowing pretty heavily in Sydney, Nova Scotia. It's blowing snow is happening right now. Roads are bad, especially side streets, and Main Street looks bad because it's storming out in Sydney, Nova Scotia because lots of wind going on, and look at the blowing snow up in the skies. It looks pretty bad outside because right now it's -1 degree Celsius. I can see the snow blowing around up by the traffic lights. I mean, the lights on the streets to keep like a telephone poles. They got lights on the telephone poles when it's a bad snowstorm. Like right now. People, you gotta deal with snow. You gotta deal with snow. Once the storm is over, you have to shovel the snow. Right now it looks pretty bad outside on Victoria Road in Whitney Pier. Sidewalks are covered with snow. The grass is covered with snow and everything else. There have been a lot of accidents over in Halifax so far. I never had any accidents on Victoria Road yet because the roads are bad. A lot of cars getting in accidents during the first snowstorm this time of year. Best of luck to you. Thanks for watching.